It's like a little that were made here. You go. It is the green fields of Europe. Photograph tank in history. So, Alan, where is your office? You go to Carlisle quite a bit. It's a beautiful city. Nice small town. You know. It is wonderful to be here in Slovenia. It is a beautiful country. As I flew today and yesterday, I flew over the mountains. I flew over the Trigraph Mountain. I flew over the sea, and I saw what a beautiful country this is. I am particularly happy to have a chance to spend time with the armed forces of Slovenia, who you see behind me. They are dedicated, they are professional, they are an all-volunteer force. Today they are performing missions all around the world, with NATO, with the United Nations, with the European Union. They are in Kosovo, they are in Afghanistan, they are all around the world doing terrific work. I also had a chance to meet with the Minister of Defense. I met with the Chief of Defense, General Steiner. I've had a chance to shake hands with and be briefed on the capabilities of this terrific armed force. And I look forward to the continued professionalism and participation of this outstanding military in NATO operations as the Supreme Allied Commander. Thank you.
Admiralu Jamesu Stavridisu smo pokazali enote, ki jih pripravljamo za NATO sile. Del teh enot ali že je v NATO silah, del je pa tistih, ki jih pripravljamo za bodočnost, da se bodo pridružili operacijam. Predvsem operaciji v Afganistanu in pa operacijam na Kosovu. Te sta dve najpomembnejši operaciji, ki jih danes Slovenska vojska izvaja.
Hvala lepa.
It is a pleasure to be with all of you today. I am Admiral Jim Stavridis. I'm the Supreme Allied Commander of NATO, and I am here to thank you for your exceptional work, not only with NATO and the NATO Response Force, but also the exceptional work of the Slovenian Armed Forces, with the United Nations, with the European Union. You are working all around the world. You are a professional force. Every one of you is a volunteer. Today I had a chance to see many of your capabilities, and they are exceptional. I'm very proud to be part of NATO and to have Slovenia as part of our NATO team. I also flew in here yesterday and flew over the mountains, flew over the sea, saw the beauty of this country. I will come back. On my next trip, I'm going to bring my wife and really get to know Slovenia, the great culture, the history, the excellent wine. This is a beautiful country, and your defense of it as soldiers of Slovenia is fundamental to this nation's independence and to its participation in the events of the world. Thank you very much. Please give yourselves a round of applause. I applaud you.
Zdaj bomo mi admiralu povedali, kaj mi naredimo, ko vprašamo za koga. Za koga?
Za Slovenijo! Well said.